Highly respected. The Star Blaster is a multi-functioning single-pilot ship designed exclusively for members of the Nova Corps. Do not underestimate the sophistication of this ship.
You have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this.
Yeah, and even us right as well.
Not good enough.
That was incredible. So, yeah, last time we saw you,
Last time you saw us,
we were in
we were in Universal.
and we were in the queue for Simpsons, and this was about.
No, last time they saw us, we just finished breakfast.
Oh, okay. We went and did.
It was about 10:30. We went over to the queue for Simpsons.
And
Got in the queue, and the
notification on the phone.
notification for our boarding group, our Epcot, became available. When we booked it this morning, they said it would be available about
10 to 1.
10 to 1. So a little bit ahead of schedule.
Yeah. So we ran out of the park.
Ran out of the park.
And got a lift, which was good, and we got here at 11:10. Had to get through. Had to get through security, and then we went straight onto Guardians. The queue probably it was half an hour.
Probably about half an hour queue once we got in it.
Yeah, Preshow, amazing ride.
It's amazing. The ride's amazing.
Incredible.
The ride. There is no need to brush my hair, by the way.
Yeah, the ride is incredible. Oh, no,
That's
go ahead. But yeah, ride incredible. Can't complain with it. It's
We'll
been,
go on that again.
yeah.
Nice.
Gonna make sure that we're doing virtual queue each time because it's not a bad.
Every time.
I don't know whether you miss anything by doing the lightning lane.
I don't know. But the virtual queue worked just as well, and the queue is really good.
Yeah,
There's a lot of
detail.
a lot of detail, a lot of information
So,
in
yeah.
there, and I think you can see different things each time you go through.
Yeah, and we got September, Earth, Wind and Fire. So
I really want one way or another. I want blondies one way or another.
so, hopefully,
all the songs on my
hopefully
list,
next
it's probably
time.
my favourite.
I think we're going to go pop into the shop.
Yeah, have a look
Yeah.
at merchandise for the guys.
We bought a drink
Guardians.
because we needed to.
I came off that ride, my mouth was so dry.
Screaming and all that. And
Well, I think I was thirsty coming in onto it anyway. Because of all the running it too hard to get here.
yeah, that's true. My watches did say that we were doing an outdoor walk, so which doesn't normally happen when we're in theme parks. So.
Yeah, so I got off the ride and my mouth was parched. I did get a little bit dizzy,
Yeah.
I will admit that.
But not enough
But
to.
again, how much of that is because I needed something to drink? I don't know.
That is true. Well, we will catch up in a bit and we'll have a little tour of the shop. So we'll have a little wander, see if there's any special merchandise for Guardians of the Galaxy. Cosmic Rewind.
I love it.
And we'll catch up with you